Good morning, YouTube. It is technically day 6. Like, I didn't record yesterday. I was at the car auction buying cars because I buy and sell used cars on the outside of this. And first, yesterday, before I went to the car auction, I was in profit on some shorts. Then I go to the auction, and from here on out, I'm closing trades before I go to the auction for hours because my attention is there and I'm not paying attention to my phone all the time when I'm there. So I didn't see, anyways, they reversed, prices went higher, took me out of the shorts. And this morning we took some trades. I apologize, we were not able to see what I was doing. So, like I was saying, we just entered some longs on Bitcoin. It touched the 85,000 range. Just grabbed SUI also, even though it did break this. It's kind of iffy. On Blowfin, we have this short. I might be closing it, depending on what this does in the next few minutes. But yeah, we're down to basically where we started, man, on the BitFunded challenge. Mistakes from yesterday. Big mistakes, not closing my trades before I left. But also this morning, before I started recording, got hit on a few. So we lost the win streak. This is part of the game. I on the BitFunded challenge, I lost more than I intended. Like that. Yeah, not gonna be leaving my trades open when I go to the auction anymore. That was a big mistake. Ended up losing more than I thought. And for news, Trump speaks. Oh, yeah, yesterday. Sorry. Home sales are down. Crude oil inventories are down. Dude, previous is 4.6 mil. Because with Canada, I'm assuming we got some problems with the oil. Canada. Just because we're bumping it. But tomorrow we got GDP and unemployment claims. They are predicting that they are the same, and they're predicting unemployment claims to go up. I believe that is definitely going to be true. Let's look at this. I need to get rid of that. This is DXY. As you guys can see, we got some new indicators working for us. This is the market cipher. Smart money. London was bullish. New York completely reversed. But if you see, we went to London high and dropped. We need dollar to keep going down. Bottom line. We need dollar to keep going down. But what's crazy is dollar keeps dropping. US 30 is looking pretty decent. What's gold doing? Gold's gonna drop, I guarantee. This will probably hit. We'll see what the scanner is calling out in a sec too. I bet, I don't know, it did hold support and made a higher low. So, I don't know actually. Euro looks like it climbed, so maybe gold won't. What's the US CAD? Alright, we're killing CAD. Okay. So, fortunately, Bitcoin. Sad times in the markets, but you know, this is what they do. They pump fear, drop the market down, and this is where people start panicking and selling, and they start buying and accumulating more. You know, Michael Saylor bought $1 billion more of Bitcoin yesterday. Why do you think that is? Why do you think he bought $1 million? So I'm really trying to get used to this indicator. Like this green dot on the red line, called a perfect top. You could have shorted from there. Called a really good bull as long as the dot is on the green line. Called a good trade. Here, as you can see, it did call a spot, right? But I'm trying to figure out this middle part because I think this wasn't aligned with this perfectly. The bottom right here, guys, is you can see this blue wave money flow is at the bottom. So this was a decent call. Fortunately, got flushed out. But as you can see here, this was a perfect call for this indicator. Green dot, top, money flows into it. Now this, is lining up for a second one right here. So, but as you can see, like this one called the bottom, definitely not. So I'm trying to get better with this indicator. You also can see the lines, and then they got the checks. Let's see how this indicator, it called one check there. Let's go to 30 minute. Green dot, check, check. So I'm learning this indicator with you guys. It's something new I've been messing with. But this is the free version. The paid version, so on the 1 hour, we might be coming in and printing a green dot, which is a good sign. Just like I called it here, even called it here. And that alone, boom, 6-7%. But I did call a bottom here. But I do see the red X on it. No, that's the bottom sticker. All top here, that would have been a great short. And it said bear right there, but it wasn't on the red line, so not 100%. But no indicator is 100%. But so far, this doesn't look bad. I'm even debating, not right away, but at some point, maybe getting this paid version. Where is it? I'm just curious. Jeez, I already made 36. What memes came out? Uh-oh. I don't want to use that. Dark money. I bet this is it. No, I don't see the things. Okay. Let's see what they got. Oh, they hit on that. But anyways, who cares? Not worried about that. Okay, so we're pumping. Hoping we can get something here, man. Gotta get back on this BitFunded challenge. We gotta make up. We gotta make up for that. And on WeX too. We got hit. Bitty. So let these do their thing. Tight stop loss, so very small stop. Oh, this is for Sui. Oops. Oh, I didn't take BTC on WeX. Okay, well, I don't want to. There's already 3. Okay. This is not a good zone for Sui. I mean, yeah, you got a little internal. We don't got exactly pattern looking for here. Not. It's kind of sloppy. Definitely not what I might get out of this. Broke this. Probably wasn't the best trade. So look at total market. Bitcoin dominance going up. Like I thought it would be. And you drink some water. Stay hydrated, everybody. Today I'm gonna figure out the TikTok Studio live thing. If I can get that going. I got a lot of people watching the lives on TikTok, and I'd rather. But I need to have it on the computer, because doing it on the phone, them looking at it's not. Matter of fact, it's a little iffy. Little iffy. Okay, so check some messages. What do we got? Okay. XRP dominance, others. Taking stables, but they're dropping. At 2.8 trillion market cap. Total market cap. I don't like it. Excluding Bitcoin, horizontal. Indicators not calling the bottom. That's the thing I'm noticing. Excluding top 10, not looking great. None of these are calling the bottom. Apple's dropping. Tesla's dropping. MicroStrategy's dropping. Coinbase. It is bloody in the streets today. There is blood in the streets. Someone riddle me this. How the fuck is Pi Network hitting 250 today? Like, what? Does that even sound real to you? It sounds a little iffy to me. Like, what the fuck? How did this hit 250? Who's buying the shit out of Pi Network? And then Chill Guys. The memes are waking up. But we could find a spot to short the memes. Did go to the virtual last week, Friday. AI16Z, we tried it yesterday. Network. Pepe, doing exactly what I marked up. Doing exactly what I marked up. What's going on, guys? Quick update to add into the video. The Bitcoin short on BitFunded at 87,400 is obviously doing well. I'm honestly gonna hold this thing till 75K because Bitcoin's definitely, now that we broke that level, I mean, there's nothing holding it at, there's nothing holding it all the way. I mean, we're definitely going down. I put 75 on my, we go zoom into the 2 hours. This isn't anything strong. Like, yes, there is a level, a little bit of support here at 76. Maybe I'll make my stop loss 76,000. But it's not much. It's really not much at all. So I'm not expecting a whole lot from this 76 to 74. I'm more so thinking 70,000 to 73,000 is where it's going to go. And if you really think about it, this was the push from election night. You know what I mean? So we would be going back to the big push up from the election. Kind of makes sense. It really does. I'm not going to lie. It does make sense. But also when you fib it out on the fib, it even adds up more. So on the fib, it's literally at the 618 to the 71. And it's just, there's tons of support here. I mean, it makes sense that if we didn't hold up here, that we would be coming to here. What I'm more so worried about is altcoins. Altcoins are gonna be WWE SmackDown on the charts. Like, shit's gonna get hit hard. And I'm looking, and I'm really mad at myself also for not looking at a lot of these shorting opportunities up here at 109. When we broke this floor, we go down to 97, come back up right to it's called banker block right here. It was such an easy trade on the higher time frame. I mean, shit, tapped into it again. And you notice how it's lower and lower. And I should have taken more advantage of that. I think, it's really good to learn from your mistakes, but it's more so like, and then, dude, drop here, February 2nd, pop right back into this. This should have been short. I held at least down to here or something. Like, they're clear telltale signs, and they were not hard to see if you know trading. Like, they were not difficult trades to really find on the higher time frames also. And it is what it is. You learn. You got to keep learning. I'm still 3 going on about 4 years into this trading journey, and you constantly have to learn more and more. I'm far from being done having to learn. there's so much more. Even some of the top traders I follow and learn from, they talk about how they're still constantly learning new shit. Or nowadays, you can learn things like AI and trading bots to help you. Like, there's always new things, always more and more to learn. And the best experience is trading on the chart, or trading in general is always the best. Lessons and experience is just trading, showing up every day, win or lose, learning how to stomach the losses. Like today on the BitFunded challenge, like now we're up, but we were up more than this, and it's like I shouldn't have held my shorts yesterday when I went to the car auction. I should have let go, and that was a big mistake. Because like I got access to Blowfin on my phone, but I don't even have BX or BitFunded on my phone. So, if you can't trade, I mean that's my new rule is I'm only trading when I'm sitting watching it at my desk. If I'm training in the morning and take the kids to school, I'll hold during that because I'll be back home not too long after. But if I'm going to like car auction, what takes my attention, I gotta focus while I'm there. It's just stupid. It's really not smart. So check this out. Sui is in that zone that I marked up. But I'm not. It's calling the bottom too, but I'm not taking it. It's just way too iffy. Let's look at coin market cap. That's something really 2.72 trillion. So this is where it gets. So we broke below the market cap here. But we are on the 5 on the fib right now. Hoping we bounce from here. Okay, I gotta jump on this Zoom call, guys. I will. I'll have to call you guys, or I'll have to do another update in a little bit. All right, guys. Have a good day. I will wrap this video up soon and then hop on and see where the trades are at. Have a good day. What's going on, guys? How you doing today? It is now Thursday the 27th. Yeah. We had GDP today. Actually, surprisingly, this came out the same. I'm actually surprised. Unemployment claims obviously were higher. Durable goods actually went down. Durable good orders were higher. Premium GDP price index is higher. So, pending home sales is down 4.6%, which I'm not surprised. Natural gas storage is down, yeah, negative or minus 261 billion. The big one here, right here, the prelim GDP not changing is I'm shocked. I thought it would be worse, but this is where we're at on BitFunded, man. I'm gonna wrap video for day 5 and 6 all into one. We didn't have, I told you yesterday, which will be included on this video just to make it all one. I went to the auction. I sell cars on the side. I have a business selling cars, and I went to the car auction, had some shorts in. Fortunately, that was a bad idea. Especially on BitFunded, I'm not even logged in on my phone. So it was like, I was confident about the shorts. I did feel confident about them, but market wanted to shoot up for a little bit, and it popped me. It hit me. It is what it is. And then we came down lower, and I will admit I got hit yesterday, and today I got a couple. Like the Bitcoin short is still riding because I think we're gonna go down to 75K, but it's a tough hold at this spot because it is possible that this could be the bottom, even though, like I've shown you in my other clips, Bitcoin has nothing else holding it until 74K. You know, that support. So I'm not super confident on it. I'm not. But I do have the Ethereum long and XRP. Let's check both of them out. These are new trades I took today. Blowfin, I did Sol and ETH. Oh, we're in profit right now. I don't know, we could get a little pump up. I might just have to close these early. It's already 9:52 here. So it's getting a little iffy. It's pretty much 10 a.m. and we got um we got on March 15th we have oh weird. Wait. Oh. Anyways, guys, let's see if we have a free spin today. Nope, no spins. But anyways, I'm just making this real quick video. I know that we have been not doing, we're killing it. We had a good streak. Kind of fumbled a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday wasn't any successful trades either. And I'm not even too confident on these longs. I might have to close them early just to secure the risk. Really depends what happens in the next hour. I'm going to let it play out for a little bit. If we can hold this, but we just don't have any bullish movement. We just don't have the volume coming in for buys. So I just don't see this really doing much, to be honest. Let's look at the heat map. Let's see what's going on. This is for Bitcoin. We're sitting right in a lot of orders. 84 to 80. Just in the 84 range. It's a slow moving day. We don't got a lot going on. Because you got to think too, all these people that have been shorting, they've all taken profits now and they're starting to slow down. And it's not like I'm still holding this Bitcoin short, but I got in up here, or oops, up here from yesterday when this pulled back up. I grabbed it. After this dipped lower, pulled up, I got in. You can see I got in when it wicked up again. Boom. Sure, I could have closed at 82, but I don't know. Something's telling me Bitcoin's going to go down to 74, 75,000. That's my take profit is 75,000. So we might be swinging this. We might be swinging this trade. Really depends what happens at this level. But I personally feel like we're going to get a bigger pump up to this area and then drop. That's honestly what I think. because usually they want to seek out some liquidity, get some people, market makers want to get some liquidity out, and then go the direction they want to go. So I firmly believe this might come up to my entry or even higher, then make the move down. But what I would prefer to see, what I would much, much, much rather see, is it break this. I would love to see Bitcoin break above this. And that's another move. They could get the market up to 91, 92,000 up here, and then do the catapult down to get all these short. There's people that are still shorting this, still holding shorts, and they could wipe them out and then make the move. So you always got to think, what does the market makers want to do? What does the market overall really want to do? You always have to think like that, because it is a PvP match, and you are against a lot of money. You're against a lot of people and market makers that, you know, set up the moves. So you have to remember that. This isn't a friendly game of tag or something, or basketball. This is some real deal PvP, Call of Duty style. Blood in the streets, if you let them. So, all right, guys. I'm gonna wrap. Well, no, I'll wait and do a little update on what happens with this in a few hours, and then I'm gonna wrap day 5 and 6 into one video, just because there wasn't. I have to highlight my losses. I do. I believe I marked up. Oh, I might delete them. But I bought in to here, I think on Solana, and that got wiped. And no, I guess I can't remember exactly. Maker is still running. I'm gonna show you one other thing too. Dot's running. WorldCoin. Jupiter is doing alright. Zeus is waking up a little. But there's some other ones I really want to show. Wait till you see. Oh my. What? Andrew Tate's daddy coin is mega pumping 40%. Just broke this though. Let's go see what's going on. But that could be Andrew Tate pumping his coin. Because people wait for opportunities like this. I saw a lot of meme coins blowing up yesterday. And also Pi Network. Been seeing Pi Network going higher and higher. This is the news. That's the news. I think they started pumping it and people jumped. They think, oh, he burns 40. No, that was back in June. he landed in wow, only 68 tokens graduated today. I'm guessing for yesterday compared to no, today compared to 215 yesterday. But this might have been 2 days ago, and then yesterday is what they're talking about. I could be wrong. Another big news is House Democrats propose a meme act to ban official crypto endorsements. Meaning, it's only because Trump made a coin, of course. Please introduce the meme act, a bill that would ban public officials from issuing or endorsing meme coins like Trump. Of course they did. They just want to find anything against Trump. It's so pathetic. Alright, guys. What the hell? No way. That's... Wait. Really sent this dude 300 billion. That's not him. No. Wait. Hold on. That can't be him. That's Zelensky? This is the president of Ukraine. Younger. That doesn't... Man, it kind of looks like him. Oh, wow. Dude, what? That can't be. What? Oh my god, this is really him. Back in 2000s, this is the president of Ukraine. What?
President Trump said this week he did not say yes when he was asked if he sees Ukraine as an equal member in the peace process. He did say later that Ukraine would have a seat at the table.
So I will never accept any decisions between the United States and Russia about Ukraine. Never. We're thankful for bipartisan in the wall who can.
Wow. This is such a clown show. This is... Okay, so it's not... This one isn't him. This is the AI. But he really was. Wow. Okay. Funny. That's news to me. I didn't know that. Oh, Jupiter has a new vote. I should go do that. But anyways, have a good day, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. I will do an update in a little while. Okay, just a quick update from earlier so I can wrap up the whole video. The shorts are doing great. We had that one long that got hit for just a small loss, but on XRP. But the shorts are coming in. We just hit 79,500 on Bitcoin. Yeah, we're definitely going down to 75,000. So we're riding these big profits are both 75,000. Just entered a second position right here. So there's that. And then I'm blowing the short on Solana and XRP, doing well. But I do need to set my take profit on it, which I think will be probably going to be 112 to 112. Be safe. 115. Be safe. Just kidding. Or far from stop loss. Or make it break even. I just don't want this thing to wake up. But if it starts going too high, I'll probably just close. I'm not taking more chances, not getting the profit. I've done that too much in the past. So ETH. Dude, everything. Thinking. And we're gonna do a video on what we think. What's going on? This is flipping out. My mouse just glitched out. I don't know what that is. And then on gold, I'm looking for. Yeah, hold on. What's the dollar doing? Oh, it's climbing up. Dollar's climbing. So, okay. So, yeah, stop. Okay, so on ETH, we need to figure out. I think 1928. Yeah, this is right for the election boom. November 5th into November 9th. So that bomb would be 1915. Started to explode. Yellow line represents the bottom of that. So $2,000 roughly. Alright guys, well I'm gonna wrap this video up and get it together so I can post it. Have a good night and stay safe. Be careful if you're leverage trading. I would honestly just chill. Definitely don't take any longs. Risky right now, especially for longs. Just shorting right now until we get drastic change. Alright, have a good night guys. Peace.